Hello YouTube creators and subscribers, I just wanted to thank you all for tuning into my video. Today we're going to be going through the Pyramid Texts, episode 2. Oh, let's begin. We're starting at utterance 12, and this is the ritual of bodily restoration of the deceased and offerings and utterances. To say, I give to thee thy head, I fasten for thee head to thy bones. To say, I give to him his eyes, that he may be satisfied, offering of food and drink. To say, Geb has given to thee thy eyes, that thou be satisfied. Eye of Horus, 1 jar of water. To say, Thought, he has given his head to him, a pitcher of water. To say, he has caused it to be brought to him, 1 drink of water. To say, Oh, I have come in search of thee, I am Horus, I have pressed for thee thy mouth, I am thy son, thy beloved, I have opened for thy mouth. He is the defender of his mother, when she weeps for him, the defender of her who is united with him. How good is the condition of thy mouth after I have adjusted for thee thy mouth to thy bones. To say 4 times, Osiris, I open for thee thy mouth with the eye of Horus, 1 thigh. To say, how good is the condition of thy mouth after I have adjusted for thee thy mouth to thy bones. I opened for thee thy mouth, I opened for thee thy eyes. I opened for thee thy mouth with the hook of copper or iron, which opens the mouth of the gods. Horus opens the mouth of this. Horus opens the mouth of this. Horus has opened the mouth of this. Horus has opened the mouth of this. With that wherewith he opened the mouth of his father. With that wherewith he opened the mouth of Osiris. With the copper or iron, which comes from Set, the hook of copper or iron, which opens the mouth of the gods. He opens the mouth of therewith, that he may go, that he himself may speak before the god Ened in the house of the princess, which is in Heliopolis, that he may carry off the crown which is with Horus, lord of the men. To say, Osiris, I bring to thee thy Ba, whom thou lovest, I open thy mouth. Osiris carry off all those who hate, who speak evil against his name. Thoughts, go carry off him who has injured Osiris. Bring him who speaks evil against the name of In. Get him into thy hand, to say 4 times, do not separate thyself from him. Take care that thou be not separated from him, a libation. To say, Thought, hurry, carry off the enemy of this to Osiris. He who goes with his Ka. Horus goes with his Ka. Set goes with his Ka. And Ka is spirit. Thought goes with Ka. The gods go with his Ka. Osiris goes with his Ka. Neretas goes with his Ka. Thou also goes with thy Ka. The hands of thy Ka are before thee, and the hands of thy Ka are behind thee, and the feet of thy Ka are before thee, and the feet of thy Ka are behind thee. Osiris, I have given to thee the eye of Horus, so that the face may be equipped with it. Let the odor of the eye of Horus adhere to thee. To be said 4 times, fire of incense. Horus, who art in Osiris, take thyself the eye of Horus, for thou art as the eye of Horus, which lit, who has extended with its odor. To say, Osiris, take the eye of Horus, equip thyself with its odor. Osiris, Horus has given to thee his eyes, that they mayest equip thy face with it. 1 pellet of incense. To say, I have come, I have brought to thee the eye of Horus, that thou mayest equip thy face with it, that it may be purified, that it may purify thee, and that the odor may come to thee. The odor of the eye of Horus is, for it drives away the sweat. It defends thee against violence of the Set. And it defends against the virus, against arm of Set. O, the eye of Horus is pleasing to thee. It is sound for thee. The eye of Horus is sound. The art sound. 3 pellets of incense. To say, Horus, dweller in Osiris, equip thee with the eye of Horus. Take it to thee. To say, Osiris, Horus has completely filled thy eye with his eye. This is thy cool water, Osiris. This is the cool water, which went forth from the sun, which went forth from Horus. I have come, I have brought thee, eye of Horus, that thy heart may be refreshed by it. I have brought it to thee. It is under thy soles. Take to thyself the efflux, the sweat which goes forth from thee. Thy heart shall not be weary thereby, to say 4 times, when thou goest forth justified. Libation, 2 pellets of natron. To say, Osiris, take thee to thy this libation, which is offered to thee by Horus, in the name, for he who is come from the cataract. Take to thee thyself the sweat which goes forth from thee. Horus has made me a symbol for the gods from every place for which thou goest. Horus has made me count for the children of Horus, even to place where thou was drowned. Osiris, take to thyself thy natural, that may be divine. Nuit has made thee to be a god to thy enemy, or in spite of thee, in the name of a god. It recognizes thee for thy art made young in the name of fresh water. So that was the utterances 12 through 33 of the pyramid texts. Next episode we will go through utterances 34 and beyond. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you have a good afternoon or evening.